First, I gave you a short intro about Figma. Figma is a web-based design tool used to create, prototype, and collaborate on UI/UX designs, like websites, apps, and interfaces, all in real time. It's super popular because multiple people can work together on the same design. First step is to download Figma app, open it, or create account in it. This is the cursor tool. You can use it to select or to move the images, objects, or elements. Using this tool, you can create frames or sections of any size. This option allows you to set your frame size for different devices like phones, iPhones, or desktops. This tool allows you to create various shapes easily. You can also insert images using this tool. Select this option or choose the image from your media or place it there. Select your frame, open the Design tab, and use Fill to add any color you like. By click on this option, you can also make these colors gradient. Click on the color block to choose and change its color. By moving the blocks, you can change the color concentration. You can also change its gradient style to linear, radial, diamond, or other patterns. You can also draw by yourself using the pen or pencil tool. By using the pen tool, you can place points to create any custom shape or image. Once it's done, go to Fill and select any color to apply to your shape. Now, select the pencil tool and use it to trace any shape or image to draw it. Don't worry if your tracing isn't perfect. You can adjust it later by moving the points. Select the cursor tool, then double-click the shape. The points will appear, and you can adjust shape by moving them. When it's done, go to Fill and add color to your shape. Draw a frame or add text on it. Select the text, change it to bold, extra bold, or any style you want. You can also change its style or size. Scroll down and click on Color Block to change its color. By using this tool, you can add widgets or plugins to perform some tasks. By using this BG Remover plugin, you can remove background of any image. Select Image, right-click or go to Plugins, click on Remove BG or run it. Again, click on it or search for Iconify plugin. By using it, you can add icons. Search for call icon. Drag it or place it. Now, I'll show you how you can set up your background remover plugin. Search for Remover BG, click on it or set API key. Click on this first link. Create account there. After, click on API. Get new API key. Create it. Copy it or go back to Figma or paste it there. Or save it. Draw a frame. Add a rectangle. Fill color in it. Select it, and from the layout section you can change its width or height. You can also add a shadow to it. Go to Effects, add Drop Shadow Effect. Adjust it. Now see, the rectangle's shadow is visible. Go to Stroke and add it to make outline. If you remove its fill, only the outline will be visible. Now I tell you how you can make UI UX design by using a template. Follow these steps. Search for Apple Watch Web. Open it in Figma. You can customize this design in any way you want. Select the text or change it. You can also make same design by yourself. Make a MacBook Pro 14 frame like that. Go to Frames and select MacBook Pro 14. Adjust its height or width according to this. Add a rectangle. Change its color. The design uses gradient colors, so apply a gradient to it. Adjust it by moving color blocks. Change its color to light. To make text like that, add a text block. Select text and change its color into white. Select it or make it bold. Make the corners of the rectangle slightly rounded. Now to add icons, go to Plugins, search Iconify. Search Apple and drag or paste it into your design. In the same way, search for other icons. Now place the icons on their place. Select it or change its color. Place other icons in the same way. Add a rectangle. Make its corners rounded. Change its color. Now add stroke or make its color white. Or change its weight into 2 or 3. Now add text. Change its color into white. Now you add this text. Or these icons. I am currently copying and pasting it. You can try creating it yourself later. Now copy this watch image or paste it there. Now we make this. First draw a rectangle. Change its color. Make its corners rounded. Copy this watch image or place it on the rectangle. Now make all the remaining images in the same way. Adjust the gap between them. To make this, first draw a small circle. Change its color into black. Add stroke of white color. Now copy it or paste it. Increase its size. Change its color. Now we make this dotted line. Draw a circle, decrease its size, or adjust it. Repeat the same steps to create this. Now I'll tell you about an important feature, prototyping. By using it, you can add animations to your design. Select this and click on the plus icon. Then drag the arrow to the same watch color page. So when someone clicks on it, they'll move to that page. Now adjust its animation setting like this. Like above again. Move this arrow to same color page or adjust its animation setting. Repeat the same steps for the rest. Now also set these color dots to animate into the page. Now go to there or present it. Look how smoothly. The animation plays now. You can also make website design easily on Figma. Draw a frame. Create a section by use rectangle or fill color in it. Add your image at one side. Now add your text. From there, you can share it with your colleagues or copy its link. For export this, click on it. Select all them as a frame or preview it. You can also edit this frame name. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.